Hi everyone, I want to welcome you to the new Genkan app. So far this is just available for on the Apple Store, and this is what we're going to launch. We're just sending it up now for the Apple to okay it, but it looks pretty good. So what you can see here now is that once again I've got to register, so I'm going to hit that there, you login and password. That's your Genkan login and password, and of course entering a PIN number. Okay, so there's the new home screen. Looks pretty slick. Um, New functionality means that we can now have a look at the bookings for today. You've got a back button, and you even see the bookings from last year for the same period. Yeah, so that's new in this release, and of course we got this month's information, and of course the 12-month information that we've had in the past. Okay, yeah, it's good to know. Nearly they're getting there for this year. Okay, and of course, we've got today's arrivals, and you can see that information there, and you can of course email and phone directly off that information. Okay, guest registered and such. Okay, so that's all good news. Um, okay, nothing really changed much in the properties. I think that's basically the same as before. All that information there. There's nothing there. The big change for here is in housekeeping. Now, what you can see here is there's two levels to it, and look, I'll just jump out of there before, and I'll come to here. In the More button, you've now got a button here called Settings, and this is enabling GPS, and I'll explain that in a minute. And of course, you can close the app down if for whatever reason. We're looking at the moment, we've put it there so we can close it just in case it locks up or whatever, because this GPS is causing a little bit of grief, or not working exactly the way we want. The whole idea of the GPS is that it would, if you were in a property and you wanted to log a job, it would go and say, well, okay, you've got your GPS coordinates to know which property you're at. So in this particular instance here, if I wanted to log a job, okay, at Fire Dreaming, okay, and I hit job and that there, and I can enter a description there. I can the type and category, and that will create a pending job in job log. We do want to add images to it. We do have a working version of that, but we're not uploading that at this stage. We're still trying to find a slicker way of this working. What is nice here, there, and this is great for housekeepers, is that all of the compendium information is here now in the app. Okay, so once again, if you haven't done compendiums, or if you're not doing it, it is a fantastic setup. Okay, all the information. So if your cleaners are wanting to know how the TV works or whatever about the property, where the power board is, fire alarm system, whatever you've got there for that property, that information's there. So really is a fantastic thing to do. Like, I can't speak more highly of it. I was talking to another user today, and they're setting it up now and are very happy with the idea. Okay, and the last one is for housekeepers, something we've talked about for a long time. Is where you can go and change the status of a property. Okay, and that'll change it back in Genkan. Okay, so that's that there. So that's mainly it there. The job status and compendium, they're the new ones. As I say, we'll get this GPS working. It does work. It's just that I'm not in Threadbow when it has these issues when you're a long way away. Okay, but I think this one here, being able to see your bookings for the day and such, I think is a great idea. And look, we're going to continue working on this. I asked a long time ago for input to what users want to see. I got no feedback, but I think we're moving down the right way. We're going to put the user will be able to change their details and upload photos of themselves here, and we'll put some other bits and pieces. But yeah, definitely looking to see what we can do to improve this app on the phone. Okay, once again, I think that's all pretty neat. Yeah, all good. Hope you like it.